Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So we install a 20 kilowatt inverter for these people here. Actually, when we install it, they say they don't want to be using grid, they want to go total off grid. So when we install it, they were not using grid at all. So after some time, they call us to come and install the inverter, to come and install our breakers to control the grid, because they want to be using grid utility, I mean the NEPA lights, as we normally say. So when we get here, we try to connect it and run it. So we discovered that it was giving us error 16 and error 15, which is in parallel input phase error from the utility. So after some time, we try to troubleshoot to check what could be the problem. So we try and check the inverter settings. These inverters, they are being connected in parallel, in split phase parallel, but these two inverters that are here, they are being connected in single phase parallel to make them a 10 kilowatts. While the other two that we are seeing at the extreme here, they are being connected each 5 kilowatts. So that two is connected in split phase parallel to this inverter. So it means this inverter they are acting as what? As one inverter, which is 10 kilowatts. This is a single 5 kilowatts, single 5 kilowatts. So we are taking 3 watts, 3 phase down to their change over. So that's how we connected it. So we now discover that the issue we are having here is that
the phases were looped together using a cable with a single cutout fuse connected to one of the phases, allowing only one phase to supply power to the building's changeover. This setup was the root of the problem. We had to reconfigure the connections by separating each phase and connecting them individually to the changeover. This adjustment ensured that all 3 phases could supply the inverter, resolving the error 16 it was displaying.
Error 16 or error 15. I'm very optimistic that it's going to work fine. Since it's a 3-phase system, we are now sending a single phase to go and power a 3-phase system, to go and charge a 3-phase system. I think that is where the error is. Thank you very much. So after we have separated the contacts, we want to check if the fault still persists. So I think it has stopped. So it means that is the issue they were having before. The inverter is not charging very well. So as you can see, our voltage and current protector, it has changed. You can see the current is now reading level. This is reading 16 or 15 amps, and this is what, 4 amps. So I think that has solved the issue that we are having on this site. See, it's not charging